Master Educational Services, pioneering thesis writing and implementation excellence. Dive deep into academic and technological frontiers with Master Educational Services, a renowned trailblazer in thesis writing and implementation services across India and globally. We specialize in a plethora of subjects including engineering, technology, medical science, law, and management. Catering to diverse academic echelons like M.Tech, MS, MD, PhD, and MBA, we uphold quality, precision, and innovation. Global outreach, our international presence stretches across the UK, Ireland, Germany, Australia, the US, and more. Within India, we have significant touchpoints in major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore, among others. Thesis implementation expertise, we're adept in a myriad of implementation domains, ranging from Python, MATLAB, Simulink to cutting-edge areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. Our prowess in specialized sectors like VLSI, CAD, FEM, and Hadoop stands testament to our technical depth. We also delve into the futuristic realms of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, ensuring our clients remain at the forefront of technological evolution. Why choose us? Versatility, from engineering to law, from MBA to medical science, our expertise is vast and varied. Global presence, be it in Jaipur or Switzerland, Kolkata or Canada, we have our footprint everywhere. Cutting-edge implementation, harness the power of AI, neural networks, deep learning, and more with our state-of-the-art implementation services. Call to action, collaborate with us and experience unparalleled academic and technological solutions. Dial +91 888 222 0044, WhatsApp, to elevate your thesis aspirations with Master Educational Services. Please share your requirement at mastereducationalservices@gmail.com or info@mastereducationalservices.org. Please do WhatsApp call at phone number +91 888 222 0044. Master Educational Services, your ultimate thesis writing solution. Navigating the challenging realm of thesis writing requires expertise, precision, and a deep understanding of academic standards. At Master Educational Services, we stand at the forefront of this domain, offering an unparalleled suite of thesis writing services tailored to meet the nuanced needs of every scholar. From the initial stages of proposal writing to the intricate process of data analysis, our team ensures every step is handled with utmost academic rigor. Our prowess extends beyond mere writing, we delve deep into research methodologies, be it qualitative or quantitative, ensuring your work is grounded in academic excellence. Concerned about plagiarism or maintaining the integrity of your research? Our rigorous citation management and adherence to citation styles like APA and MLA ensure your work stands up to scrutiny. Whether you're crafting a compelling literature review, synthesizing vast amounts of literature, or preparing for a robust thesis defense, our comprehensive services cater to every academic need. Features and benefits. Holistic approach, covering every facet of thesis writing, from research design to manuscript preparation. Academic excellence, adherence to the highest academic standards, ensuring integrity, validity, and reliability. Customized services, tailored solutions to meet individual research needs, be it case studies, surveys, or data interpretation. Call to action, embarking on a thesis journey. Let Master Educational Services be your guiding star. With our unparalleled expertise, ensure your research resonates with academic brilliance. Reach out to us now at PH +91 888 222 0044, WhatsApp, for excellence in every word. Please share your requirement at mastereducationalservices@gmail.com or info@mastereducationalservices.org. Please do WhatsApp call at phone number +91 888 222 0044.